Dolat Algotech Limited is a trading and clearing member of NSE India, engaged in the business of securities broking and trading. Key points. Business overview. Dolat Algotech Limited is a registered broker for the capital market and futures and options segment with NSE. The company primarily engages in proprietary trading of shares, securities, commodities, and other financial products. As a pioneer in algorithmic, algo, trading strategies, Dolat holds a significant market volume in the derivatives segment at NSE. In-house developed algo software. The company specializes in risk-neutral, delta-hedged derivatives trading in futures and options via its proprietary trading desk. Dolat's advanced algorithmic trading model, developed by an in-house team of expert software developers, ensures low system latency and minimal human intervention. This provides the company with a competitive edge in capturing market inefficiencies. Revenue mix. FY23, income from shares and securities trading, 95%, income from liquid fund, 1%, dividend income, approximately 4%. Name change. In November 2021, the company changed its name from Dolat Investments Limited to Dolat Algotech Limited to reflect its shift toward technology-driven trading. Investments. As of FY24, Dolat Algotech Limited has invested approximately 78 crore rupees in government securities and liquid mutual fund schemes. Bank deposits. As of FY23, the company held 380 crore rupees in bank deposits with original maturities exceeding 12 months. These fixed deposits are pledged with banks and brokers for margin requirements. Geographical footprint. Dolat Algotech Limited operates from two major locations, Mumbai and Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Track record. The company has maintained a record of no loss months in derivatives trading at both the group and company levels since its inception.